What's up everyone and welcome to the club. I just want to say thank you so much for helping this channel reach 2.5 million subscribers earlier this week. And to celebrate, I got a very special custom giveaway coming up tomorrow. Until then, let's draw a shadow form from Fortnite Fortnitemares. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw the upper edge of the brow. So we're going to leave a gap in the center, move over towards the left side, draw the curve going up, and then we'll bend that out. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Going up, and then bending that out. And we'll tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. On the left side, we're going to step in, draw a half circle, coming around towards the bottom, and then bending that up on the inside. And do the same thing on the right, coming down, around, and then up. Let's curl up the inside edge of the brow, starting on the left, curve in, and then we'll bend that up. Do the same thing on the right. We're going to add a fold in between the brow, starting on the left, step in, add a curve going up and then down. Now I'm going to add a dark ring along the bottom edge of the eye. Starting on the left, we'll step in. Just going to follow that same curve going around towards the bottom. I'm just going to pull that back up and in towards the inside of the eye. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming down and then out. Just pull that up underneath the brow. And we'll fill the outer ring in black. I'm also going to add a fold on the inside edge of the eyes. Starting from the left, come down and bend that out. Let's go to the outside and draw on the cheekbones. Starting from the top edge of the brow, step out, and come down, and then bend that in. Let's go over towards the right, down, and then in. And then the bottom of the head's going to get tucked in underneath the cheeks. On the left, we'll step out, come down in the middle, round up the chin, work our way across, and tuck that underneath on the right. Let's go back up and draw on the top of the head. Starting from the left side, curve out the head, and then pull that in, round up the top of the head, come across towards the right, pull this down, and then in. We also want to accentuate the brow, so we're going to add two folds along the top. From the left side, we're going to step up, curve up, and then out. Line this up on the right, going up and out. Let's go back down and add those lines across the side of the head. Starting underneath the left eye, start with a curve that goes out and then down. And from here, we're going to angle down and in with a straight line. Add another curve, coming down and in towards the bottom. Let's draw a straight angle line going up and in. And we'll bend this down towards the chin. Let's trace these lines along the inside. Starting underneath the eye, step in, just leave an even space gap. And just pull this up towards the top. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll taper this line coming in and down towards the bottom. Now that we've drawn the head, let's move down and draw the sides of the body. We're going to start over on the left side, just underneath the head, curve the body, going out and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, going out and then down towards the same height. And then halfway down the body, we're going to add a fold for the chest. On the left, go up and then bend that down. And we're going to line up with the hips, move to the center, step down. We're going to add a curve from left to right, going up and then down. And then leaving a gap in the center, let's go to the left side, draw a straight angle line, coming down and out towards the left, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. And then we'll round out the bottom of the leg. Starting on the left, go out, and then down. Now Now this character doesn't have any feet, so we're going to go back up to the hips and round up the side of the leg, going out, down, and then in towards the bottom point. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going out, down, and then bending that in. And we'll move back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway between the chin and the hip, starting right here. Curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right. Now we're going to draw on the thumbs. From the wrist, we're going to come down, bend that out on both sides. And I'm just going to taper that back up towards the top of the hand. Now we're going to draw 3 claws on either side. Starting from the inside of the thumb, curve out and then down. And then again, we'll taper the finger going up and in. Let's add another finger. Coming out and then down. And taper that back up and in. And we'll add one more finger. Out and down. I'm just going to pull this up and in towards the outside of the wrist. Now I'm going to pull the outside of the arm going up towards the base of the shoulders. Starting back on the left, and go up and then into right about there. And then we'll layer the shoulder on top. From this line, we'll step down, curve up, and then in behind the head. And that's pretty much it. This is our shadow from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.